Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will deliver the lecture for class 8 mathematics. Exercise is 1.3. We start from question number 7. In the previous lecture we have done question 1 to 6. Now question number 7. Exercise is 1.3. Question number 7. He has said to find the value of x, y, z and w if 3 into x, y, z and w equal to x 6 minus 1 2w plus 4 x plus y 3 plus w and 3. Now first we add these two matrices and 3 multiplied by this matrix. We get 3x 3y 3z 3w equal to x plus 4 6 plus x plus y minus 1 plus 3 plus w 2w plus 3. Now we take first equal to first, 3x is equal to x plus 4, second equal to second, 3y is equal to x plus y plus 6, third equal to third, 3z equal to minus 1 plus 3 plus w and 4 equal to 4, 3w is equal to 2w plus 3. Now shift this 3x on the left hand side. We get 2x equal to 4, divide 2, x equal to 2. Now shift this y on the left hand side. We get 2y is equal to x plus 6. X is since x is equal to 2. Therefore 2y is equal to 2 plus 6. 2y is equal to 8. Y is equal to, divide 2 both sides. Y equal to 4. Now here now we shift this w on the left hand side. We get 3z is equal to 2 plus w. Now before solving this, we solve this. 3zw minus 2w equal to 3. W is equal to 3. Now put w here. Since w is equal to 3, therefore 3z is equal to 2 plus 3. 3z equal to 5. Divide 3. Z equal to 5 by 3. Is your question number 7. Now we solve question number 8. Question number 8. He has given x plus y equal to 5, 2, 0 and 9. X minus y equal to 3, 6, 0 and minus 1. He has said to find the value of x and y. Now it's number first, it's number second. Add 1 and 2, we get x plus y. Left with the left side, add right hand side with the right hand side. We get x plus y plus x minus y equal to 5 plus 3, 2 plus 6, 0 plus 0, 9 plus minus 1. Y and y cancel, we get 2x is equal to 8, 8, 0, 9 minus 1. Divide 2 both sides. 8, 8, 0 and 8. We get x is equal to 1 by 2, 8, 0 and 8. X is equal to 8 into 1 by 2, 8 into 1 by 2, 0 into 1 by 2, 8 into 1 by 2. We get x is equal to 4, 4, 0 and 4. 2 1s to 4, 2 1 to 4, 2 1 to 4. Now put in 1. Since x plus y is equal to 5, 2, 0 and 9, therefore the value of x is here 4, 4, 0 and 4 plus y equal to 5, 2, 0 and 9. Shift this on the left hand side. We get y is equal to 5, 2, 0, 9 minus 4, 4, 0 and 4. Now we get 5 minus 4, 2 minus 4, 0 minus 4, 9 minus 4. We get 1 minus 2, 0 and 5 is the value of x and y. X and y. Now we do question number 9. Now we can solve question number 9 now. Now, question number 9 here said, part 1, question number 9, C plus D, A, CA plus DA. First of all, we take the left hand side. C plus D, A, he has given the value of C is small c, 2, plus the value of small d is minus 4, and capital A is matrix. 2, minus 3, 4 and 5. Now, 2 minus 4, 2 minus 3, 4 and 5, minus 2, 2 minus 3, 4 and 5. Multiply 2 we get minus 4, 6, minus 8, minus 10. So left hand side. Now we take the right hand side now. CA plus DA. The value of C is 2. A matrix. 2 minus 3, 4 and 5. The D is minus 4. Again, A is 2 minus 3, 4 and 5. Now, 2 multiply 4 minus 6, 8 and 10. Now, minus 4, 2 minus 6, 4 and 5. We get 4 minus 6, 8 and 10, minus 8, minus 12, 16, 20. Now we subtract 4 minus 8, minus 6 minus 12. Here is also minus. Here is minus. Here is also minus. Minus into minus 12. 10 minus 16. 10 minus 20. Now, 4 minus 8 give you minus 4. Minus 6 plus 12 give you minus 8. Minus 10. Minus 4, 6, minus 8, minus 10. Left hand side and right hand side both the same. Left hand side equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Hence proved now. Now, question number 10. A plus 2B. So part 1. Matrix A. Matrix A is minus 1, 2, 3. Plus 2, the B is excuse me. Now, minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 and 0, minus 3, 2 and 5, plus 6, minus 2, 4, minus 10, minus 6, plus 6, 8, minus 6, minus 8 and 0. Now add them. Minus 1 plus 6, 2 minus 2, 3 plus 4, 4 minus 10, 2 plus 6, 0 plus 8, minus 3 minus 6, 2 minus 8, 5 plus 0. We get 5, 0, 7, minus 6, 8, 8, minus 9, minus 6, Now here said A and B is given. Prove that the following commutative law of addition holds. Commutative law. Law of addition. A plus B equal to B plus A. First we take the left hand side, first part. A is equal to 7, 1, 2 and 4. B is given 1, 1, 2 and 2. First we take left hand side. A plus B. Then right hand side. B plus A. You will get left hand side equal to right hand side. Now, same as question number 12. A, B and C is given. We law of associative law of addition. We take first left hand side. First we solve B plus C. Then A plus B plus C. On right hand side, first we solve A plus B, then A plus B plus C. We will get left hand side equal to right hand side. Now, I am giving a homework now. Question number 9. Question number 9. Part 2. Part 3. Question number 10. Part 2. Part 3. Part 4. Question number 11 and question number 12. Do it by yourself. If you are facing any problem, then call to me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you. God bless you.